Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed exercise 6.4. Today, I am going to start Pythagoras theorem. Its proof is also in your syllabus. Pythagoras theorem. Theorem 6.8. In a right angle, prove that in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Square of the other two sides. This is your right angle triangle. Given a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. To prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, construction draw a perpendicular from B to AC. Draw a perpendicular, draw a line BD perpendicular to AC. Proof: in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, angle A is common angle and angle ADB is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. By construction and given, therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACB by AA property. So AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AB. By CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle, cross multiply AB square is equal to AC into AD. This is the first equation. Now in triangle BCD and triangle ABC. Angle C, that is a common angle, and angle BDC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BCD is similar to ACB, because angle D90, this 90 C common, by AA property. So BC upon AC is equal to CD upon BC. By CPST, cross multiply, so it become BC square is equal to AC into CD. This is equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into CD. Taking AC common, AD plus CD, and AD plus CD, it become AC. AC into AC, so AC square. So this is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem 6.9. Proof of its theorem is deleted by CBSE. Its proof is deleted by CBSE, but use is there, given that this is a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC in which AC square is equal to a triangle ABC if AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then angle B will be equal to 90 degree. We will use the theorem and we will solve the question of exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. See the question. Question first, fourth part. Given that 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter side of the triangles are given. Determine which of them are right angle. In case of right angle, write the length of the hypotenuse. Longest side is 13. 13 square is 169. Smaller two sides are 12 square plus 5 square. So it is 144 plus 25, that is 169. So 13 square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Your triangle is right angle triangle, and longest side is 13, so hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. See the question number second. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. This is a triangle, angle P is the right angle. M is the point on QR. PM square is perpendicular to QR. This is PM, this is perpendicular. To prove that PM square is equal to QM into MR. Let's see the proof. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. In triangle PQM, angle 1 plus angle Q plus angle M is 180. So angle 1 plus angle Q plus 90. Angle 1 plus angle Q is equal to 90 degree. In triangle PQR, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree, or we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. By 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle Q is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, angle Q is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQM and triangle RPM, angle Q is equal to angle 2, proved above. And angle PMQ is equal to angle PMR is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, triangle QMP is similar to PMR by AA property. So QM upon PM is equal to PM upon MR by CPST. Cross multiply, we get PM square is equal to QM into MR. Hence proved. See the question number 5. ABC is isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC is AB square is equal to AB square is equal to twice AC square. It can be written as AC square plus AC square. It is AC square plus BC square because AC is equal to BC given. When the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides, so triangle is right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle at angle C, Pythagoras theorem. So therefore बस ठीक, hence proved. Homework for you. Question number first, second and third part. Question number 3 and 4 of exercise 6.5.